Hi, this is Anthony over here at foreUP Golf Software. Now that the new tee sheet is activated at your golf course, we're going to show you a setting called Booking Restrictions by Booking Class. And those are now found in the day templates. When you use these settings, you can allow your members to book a few hours before your public players and to give them that privilege with their membership. So let's go to the settings module and show you how to use that. Alright, let's dive into our settings for online booking restrictions between public and member or even events. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into our date templates. We're going to go to settings within the tee sheet, edit our tee sheet, online year setup. So we're going to be working with date templates over here, and we're going to create those restrictions based off reservation groups. So I'm actually going to toggle over to this other tab that shows all of the online tee times for online booking for this golf course. So you can see there's the public reservation group and the member reservation group. So for the member reservation group, I have to log in and have a membership. For public, it is access to everybody. But what I want to do is I want to create a restriction for our public players. So we're going to say our public players cannot book for the first 2 hours of the day for the weekday, and then on the weekend we're going to allow only 1 hour that they can't book at the beginning of the day. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over back to our settings, and we're going to set those restrictions per the day templates. So we're going to hit edit day template, and we have our reservation group button right here. So we add a reservation group, and remember we are restricting the public reservation group, so we have to apply it to the public. So we say public, add a time frame, and this is where I say I don't want to allow them to book online for the front or back between this time frame. So I'm going to set the time frame for the first 2 hours on the weekday, hit save changes, and then go over to the weekend, and then I'm going to restrict also the public reservation group for the first hour. So turn off online booking, and then set it to 7 a.m. Alright, now that we have those settings in place, we hit save changes. And now we're going to go back to our online booking to see them take place. So if I go over to tomorrow, you can see the first tee time that's available to public is 8 a.m. And then if I go over to the weekend, you can see the first tee time is 7 a.m. If I change my booking group, go into the member restricted reservation group, you can see 6 a.m. is available every single day on the weekdays and the weekend. So that gives them that privilege of being a member and being able to book those prime times in the morning. You can also use this setting to block off days for booking for everybody. And we can create a date template and set those for specific days. So we'll go back to our settings, edit our tee sheet, online year setup. So what we're actually going to do is actually create a new date template, and it'll sort of act like a block, but it'll be a date template that you can set for custom days. So we'll go to add date template, and we're going to say no online booking. We're going to create a red color, and what we're going to do is we're just going to turn off all online booking. So we'll hit save changes, and before we do that, we're actually going to create a label on the front and back so that we know that for the tee sheet. So we're going to say no online booking. We will copy that, and we're also going to give it a red color so it highlights our tee sheet. We're going to hit save changes, and we're going to set the days. So let's say in December, this weekend, we're going to close down all of our online booking, and we're not going to allow people to book because we're going to do maintenance on the grounds. So all we're going to do is go to our online year setup, select the day, no online booking, and also no online booking on the 17th. So now instead of creating blocks, we can just create day templates. So I'll hit refresh, on both of these. And you can see now, if I go to public, on the 16th, I don't have any tee times available. On the 17th as well, but on the 18th, it shows all my tee times. So if I go back to my tee sheet, on the tee sheet, you can now see it's sort of like a highlight is being created, so it can remind me no online bookings are available, and also the 17th. And if I go back to the 18th, regular tee times are available. So that's how you can use date templates instead of blocks and create those customizations of booking restrictions to really give a custom experience for your public and member players. Thanks for watching and have a great day.